Red Lentil Hot Pot. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion. Finely slice 1 garlic clove. Finely grate 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. Grate 4 large tomatoes. Grate 1 large carrot. Roughly chop 1 handful of fresh coriander. Finely slice 1 red chilli. Heat a large pot over a high heat. Add half a cup of water. Add the onion and sauté until lightly brown. Add the cumin seeds, garlic, ginger, chilli, cardamom powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and sauté for 1 minute. Add 4 cups of vegetable stock. Add 2 cups of red lentils and the grated tomatoes. Stir well, bring to the boil, reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer. Stir occasionally until the lentils are tender, about 15 minutes. Stir in salt and pepper to taste, add chopped coriander, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over the top. Serve immediately with brown rice on the side.